Hi from Sue and the Joy Dogs. My sheepdog journey started with wanting a toy dog for my bed. Now I have live dogs on my bed. I started making toys in 2006 and used Yogi as a model, so they all had extra long ears. It takes at least an hour and a half to make a medium-sized toy. They are all hand-sewn and a lot of work. They come with a booklet and a comb to keep them looking good. They have to be groomed just like the real dogs. I sell whenever I have the dogs on show and at events. I have supplied Dulux over the years and even sold a life-size toy, a surprise for the buyer's girlfriend who wanted an Old English sheepdog. Should you wish to order toys, please go to my website and look under latest news where you can see sizes and prices and send me a mail. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook.